Good morning, students. In this video, we are going to discuss few more one-mark questions from the chapter Biodiversity and Conservation. So this video also helps you to get the best mark in PU board examinations, and we will discuss few one-mark questions what exactly we have to write in PU board examinations. Okay, now these questions are exclusively prescribed by State Board Examinations of Karnataka Board only. Definitely these questions will help you for final board examination to enhance your confidence skills and to get the best mark in theory examinations. Alright, now let us see few questions from this question bank which helps to us to score highest mark in examinations. So I am going to discuss few questions from this chapter in this video. Let's see one question, students. First question: how many mega diversity countries are present in the world? Refer NCERT textbook page number 261. So according to board instructions, I can suggest you to write one single word or one single sentence for part A 1 mark questions. Okay, now let us see answer for this question. There are total 12 mega biodiversity countries are there in the whole world. So how many countries are there? You can write one single word exact answer for this question. It is 12 mega diversity countries are there in the world. This is knowledge based question, so remember it very carefully. Next, another question, students. Write the equation for describes species richness and area relationship. This is understanding level question from the concept species area relationship. I repeat the question once again. Write the equation that describes a species richness and area relationship. So the correct answer for this question is log S equals to log C plus Z log A. What is the answer for this question? You can write somewhat elaborate manner. It is on a logarithmic scale, the relationship is a straight line described by the equation that is log S equals to log C plus Z log A, where S stands for species richness, A stands for area, Z stands for slope of the line, regression coefficient, C stands for y-intercept. Is this clear, students? Hope you understood. I just given two methods of writing for this question. Choice is yours. You can choose the comfortable answer for this question. But see that the answer should have the exact correct equation. Alright? Then let us go to next question. What are frugivorous animals? Let's discuss about answer for this question. Frugivorous animals. They are nothing but fruit-eating birds are called as frugivorous animals. Understand? So the correct answer for this question is frugivorous animals are fruit-eating birds and mammals in the tropical forests of different continents. Okay, so hope you understood for this question. You can refer NCERT textbook page number 262. Alright, then let us go to another question, students. Who proposed the Rivett-Popper hypothesis? This is also knowledge-based question. Now let us see the correct scientist name for this question. Paul Ehrlich. What is the answer? Paul Ehrlich. So supportive information I'm explaining to you. No doubt you can write the only scientist name. You will get 1 mark out of 1. But let us see some supporting information to boost you for PU board examinations. The Rivett-Popper hypothesis used by Stanford ecologist Paul Ehrlich. Understand? So you can write in this sentence form also. This is also correct method. Okay, then let's go to another question. Name the forest which is referred to as the lungs of the planet. This is also knowledge based. Now let us see answer for this question, students. This is a very important concept for asking 1 mark questions. Then students, let us see answer for this question. No doubt your answer the answer which you are expecting, it is correct only. We had a discussion in regular theory classes, in offline classes, answer for this question. So Amazon forest, what's the answer? Amazon forest is referred to as lungs of the planet Earth. Why? Because through photosynthesis process, scientists estimated that it is producing exclusively 20% of the total oxygen in the Earth's atmosphere. I repeat this supportive information. Why this planet is completely good enough with oxygen? Because of Amazon forest. The great and largest forest, Amazon forest, is producing exclusively 20% of the oxygen on the Earth's atmosphere out of total amount of oxygen. All right. So hope you understood, students. So hope you understood answer for this question and keyword also. What is the keyword? It is nothing but the Amazon forest, which is the largest forest called as lungs of the planet. Okay, then let us go to next question. How many current species extinction is different from the previous episodes of extinction? I repeat the next question. How the current species extinction is different from the previous episodes of extinction? Let us see answer for this question. You can refer NCERT textbook page number 264. So now let us see answer. The difference is in the rates. The current species extinction rates are estimated to be 100 to 1000 times faster than in the pre-human times, and our activities are responsible for the faster areas. Alright, so what's the keyword for this answer? The current species extinction rates are estimated to be 100 to 1000 times faster than in the pre-human times. Hope you understood explanation for this question. Go through NCERT textbook in detail. Next question. How does fragmentation of large habitats due to human activities lead to the decline of wild population? Now let us see answer for this question. The largest forest on the earth, Amazon forest, harboring probably millions of species, is being cut and cleared for cultivating soya beans or for conservation of grasslands for raising beef cattle. Okay, then when large habitats are broken up into small fragments due to various human activities, mammals and birds requiring large territories and certain animals with migratory habits are badly affected, leading to population declines. This phenomenon was happened previously in Brazil country. Understand? So students, this is somewhat lengthy explanation, but see that the answers should be satisfactory for the evaluator. Understand? So what is the question? First of all, we should understand, and what we have to write exactly, this point also we should understand. Okay, according to NCERT textbook, the correct information, the direct answer for this question is when large habitats are broken up into small fragments due to various human activities, mammals and birds requiring large territories and certain animals with migratory birds are badly affected, leading to population declines. Understand? So hope you understood explanation for this question. Now let's go to another question. Give example for a species which has become extinct due to overexploitation. So now let's give example for this question. Many species extinctions in the past last 500 years were occurred on the earth. Examples: Steller's sea cow, passenger's pigeon, were due to overexploitation by humans. Alright, so what is the answer? Steller's sea cow. One example is enough. Or you can write two examples even. Another example here is passenger's pigeon. Hope you understood, students. Now let's go to another question. Name an alien species which has been introduced into India that has posed threat to native species in India. Now let us see answer for this question. The environmental damage caused and threat posed to our native species by invasive weed species like carrot grass. This is commonly called as Parthenium hysteroporus. Or another example, lantana and water hyacinth. This water hyacinth is commonly called as Eichhornia. So students, I explained you three examples. You can choose your best answer. Choice is yours. So what are the three examples and their other names? The first one is carrot grass, also called as Parthenium. Second example, lantana. And third example, water hyacinth. And another common name is Eichhornia. Right? Then next question, students. Introduction of alien species cause biodiversity loss. Justify this statement with appropriate example. This is also from the same concept. You can refer page number 265 for both 19th and 20th questions from NCERT textbook, page number 265. Let's see answer, students. When alien species are introduced unintentionally or deliberately for whatever purpose is, some of the native species turn invasive and cause decline or extinction of indigenous species. For example, the Nile perch introduced into Lake Victoria in East Africa led eventually to the extinction of the ecologically unique assemblage of more than 200 species of sea-child fish in the lake. Understand? So you must write the region and you must also advised by me to write example, because in the question they asked reason for loss of biodiversity, and we need to justify with appropriate example. Students, in this video, from this 16 to 20 questions are somewhat lengthy answers, and of course they are just expandable or elaborate answers. I agree with you, but see that the evaluator should be impressible and satisfied with your accurate and correct relevant answer for given asked question. Understood, students? Hope you understood this video. I conclude this video with this. Thank you one and all.